Tenzin Kyizom is a teenage gymnast residing in Madison, Wisconsin. She is a winner of 99 medals, claiming her position on 3-time state champion and 3 times regional champion. Let's welcome Tenzin Kyizom. Tenzin Kyizom, it's so good to have you here on Tibettv TV. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Kyizom, you started gymnastics at a young age when you were a little girl at the age of 7, and from 2018 you started competing. You have won many medals and claimed as one of the best teenage players. Kyizom, what was it about gymnastics that drew your interest?
Ever since I was little, around 7 years old, I've been watching the Olympics and I've been trying gymnastics out by myself at home. And when I went to the gym and signed up, I got to meet new friends and see coaches. So I actually started and continued, and I really liked it.
All right, Kyizom, so what is it about gymnastics that you enjoy the most?
I enjoy spending time with new people and meeting new coaches and just having fun overall.
Is there a certain diet and a lifestyle that gymnasts are supposed to follow? How do you keep yourself strong and energized?
I don't have a certain diet, but I have to eat fruits and vegetables and salads daily or weekly. And I keep myself energized by having a good sleeping schedule and planning out my days.
Yeah, but then you seem to have a very busy schedule because you are also juggling with your school life. So how do you maintain that balance?
I just rest it out, and I kind of think before the day about what I'm going to do, and I time myself.
So gymnastics is a sport that is not only fun as it seems to be. It is also quite dangerous if you are not careful and alert. I know that there is a lot of hard work and practice to avoid injuries. Kyizom, can you share with us about your challenges that you normally face and how you overcome them?
A really hard challenge that I have to face is mental blocks, which is basically when your body can do a certain skill, but your mind is telling you that you can't, so you just don't do it. And I get over this problem by having my coach help me little by little until I can do it myself, and she tells me that I can do it.
Was there any time when you got hurt during gymnastics?
I have been hurt by twisting my ankle and hurting my back a little bit, but I've never gotten anything serious like broken a bone or just anything like that.
And was there a time when you found it quite difficult to pursue with this sport and you wanted to quit?
I have wanted to quit a couple of times because the sport's really hard and I just had really bad days. So I felt like quitting, but I just got up from that day and just continued.
So what kept you motivated? What kept you going?
What kept me going was the thought of my future and getting better at the sport, and the fact that I really like the sport a lot, so I don't want to just quit on it.
And also, Kyizom, I have been watching your mother's YouTube channel and I have seen how supportive your parents are. In fact, your mother, she chose to do night duty so that during the day she can accompany you and assist you in all possible ways for your competition and practices. What do you have to say about this?
I have to say that I'm really thankful for my parents to support me through everything and my decisions that I want to be when I grow up. So yeah.
So what are your future plans? You really want to pursue in gymnastics?
As I grow older, I'm planning on going to gymnastics for college, but if it doesn't work out, then I might go to medical school and do gymnastics as a side.
So were there any other sports that you like to play besides gymnastics?
I played a lot of sports like basketball and soccer and ballet, like dancing. but this sport was it was more special, and I liked it way more than any other sport that I've played in the past.
Why did you find this sport special? What was so special about gymnastics?
It was more special because I liked going to the practices more, and I felt like I wanted to actually go. And in the other sports, it just didn't feel like I wanted to go, and I wasn't really like happy with it.
So what message do you have for the young Tibetans pursuing this sport?
The message I have for younger Tibetans is to never give up and to follow your own dreams and not what other people want you to do.
All right, Kyizomla, and you are actually very, very good at it. Anyways, it was really, really nice to talk to a young, talented Tibetan. I wish you all the best, and please keep up the good work and make us proud as always. Thank you so much for speaking to Tibettv TV.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode of In Conversation with Tibettv TV.